It's much more easy when you play against Ryan or Paris or Kigali. When you saw some players and some mistakes, you can believe that some of our guys can pass it. It happened the same way in Bwoba, but okay, approach their attitude in the game and they will to win. I'm happy about that and I know that they can do much more.
So, a couple changes, especially in the front line. What was the plan behind it?
We know that we had missing players international team and they can late and of course they cannot be in our lineup even. They cannot be on the bench and we have another reason. We have Ramadan. Today it was last day of Ramadan and we have to think also about that. Some trips, some missing trainings also, and of course that we have to choose what is the best.
Coach, you would still do the new lineups you plan to continue?
As I said that we have some missing. First about Janel. He went to national team and after 2 days he came back with injury and yesterday he made first training yesterday. Sure, but it was so risk to give him chance to play because we can lose too much for the future because that we cannot risk, especially because we have only two of them.
Coach, with 1 point left to learn sports, now the rest of trophy, just for the trophy, you made it open again. What are you going to do so that APM will be in this?
No, of course that we count on that. It will be a big fight until the end. A lot of difficult matches, a lot of big matches. As I said, doesn't matter about name. Every match will be like today for us for Ion, and we have to be. Our approach has to be all the time the same. And I'm very happy if my players can approach like today. As I said, just they feel some pressure. And when we opened this game with 1-0, if we scored second or third goal from many coming 16 meter, we get this game easy. But at the end, if I ask you how many times we should shoot one of them. Tell me how many times?
Huh?
How many times they shoot our goal post during 90 minutes? 1 or 2?
2.
2. They score one. Okay, that's the football. How many times we shoot?
6.
We can count. We can count. No, 6. That's okay.
On target.
Some on target, yes. But around target, many of them shoot. Okay. As I said, it's the football, and we continue going forward. Now we have this year after that this game.
There was some chance from the fans protesting you to be sacked.
I don't understand.
Sure.
I don't understand.
Coach.
Don't ask about that, and I don't care about that.
You win, but everyone has to observe you don't score many goals. 2-1-0, 2-1. You think what is
What I can say, for example, I don't like to mention names, but when you have some of them 3 or 4 times or 2 times clear chance and don't score, what I can say? Any of our attacking players, some matches last against Gasogi we have from our attacking line 6 or 7 clear chances in front of goalkeeper like that, and we didn't score. It's not easy to say how to improve.
Amagambo scored another crucial game yet again.
Yes.
What would you make of him?
I told before that he deserve to play because that he is in the lineup.